Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out, arguing. So I ordered this, as you can see, from Tik Tok shop, the Labigo fan brush. So we are gonna clean up today. It's my first time opening it. All right, you got your quick startup guide. You got your telling you about the model. You got some spin brushes in here. Let's see. Oh, real fluffy. Let's see what we got. This is probably going to be used for large areas like my shower. And I'm going to order more spin brushes because I like to use a brush for each area. I do not reuse anything. So, I'm not sure what this is. Okay. So that's the power cord. See what we can do. Okay. I believe this is the holder to hold it up somewhere. Some more spin brushes. This is right here for the corner, as you can see. Alrighty. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. Alright. More pieces to put it together. Alright, that's all that came in here. So let me pretty much see what we got here, and let's see what we got here. I'm gonna put it together. Y'all see the last piece of cake? Kids gotta eat that. I'm gonna put this together, see what we got. I know I have to charge it up as well, so I will pick y'all back up in a little bit to give you see what it does. All right, y'all. So I didn't try to put this thing together all the way. And if you hear some pop, pop, pop in the background, it's New Year's Eve, baby. So this house is lived in. I wanted to show you these cracks and crevices. Oh, yes. This is from the kids spilling something, wasting something. So don't judge me. You see it. So I done got down here, baby. When I tell you, I had to get on my hands and knees because this is like under the counter in the bag. So right here we do have a chipped off piece of wood on the corner, but for the most part, you see these are the baseboards around, and they not as clean as they should be. So that's what we do on this New Year's deep clean for. We got our boiling hot water right here in the red bucket. Trying to move it out the way. So you see I got this little head on. So I'm up here. I'm like, ooh, this thing moving. It's moving, baby. So I'm trying to get around and get it clean. So I'm like, okay. So I'm getting in the cracks and the crevices. And when I tell you, I ain't gonna hold you. This spin brush is spinning and doing what it's supposed to do. Like, I ain't a spin brush toothbrush type of girl, but I'm a spin brush clean these baseboards type of girl. You feel me? So it was doing what it was supposed to do. And I'm like, I'm very impressed at this point. At this point, I'm all in. I'm all invested. So now I'm like, okay, let me get the middle part of the baseboards. Now I'm using the corner piece attachment, and I was able to do all my baseboards with that corner piece attachment. Didn't have to change out the spin brush at all because it was giving what it was supposed to have gave. So I'm in a cut. I don't think I got a good angle of the camera set up, but I'm in a cut. Just know I'm in the cut, trying to get this clean for y'all, because I was down here on my hands and knees. When I tell you I had to walk by, I said, you know what, let me go get some spray. So I went and got a degreaser. And when I tell you the spin brush is soft enough and gentle enough to use on paint. So I was able to get that, use it on the paint. So I used my degreaser on the baseboard. So I'm spraying this down. So I want some extra because the boiling hot water wasn't really doing as much as I know it could do or should do. But you see it. We're getting to it pretty much. So this is a better angle. So I'm putting back on my attachment piece here so you guys can see a better angle. Like I stated, I have already sprayed down those baseboards, and I just want to show you how this is moving, how this is maneuvering through these cracks and crevices. So I am down here, like, mind you, this is in the cut. This is where normally my stools are sitting, and I will mop, but I'm not getting in those cracks like that. When you mop, you literally have to get down on your hands and knees. So the way these knees set up, baby, I had to find something better. So that's one reason why I ordered this spin brush, because I wanted to get down and dirty without really getting down. You don't need to be on your hands and knees, but just because of this location, I wanted to make sure I was on my hands and knees for this. And you see the the soap suds that are coming up from the spray. It is gentle enough to clean on your walls. It is just that gentle to clean the walls. And you see I am getting in. It's putting up and it's giving what it was supposed to give. And I haven't even charged this thing up all the way to the full power. This is literally only 30 minutes of charging, and they want you to charge it for initially 3.5 hours to give you a 90-minute runtime. So I know if I would have, charged it up the way it should have been charged up, I think I would have really gotten this clean faster, way faster than it took me. But I was very impressed with just this, the way it took to clean this. So then I'm going to come back in and follow this up with my hot towel. I'm just going to wipe it down. Get in there. You see, you got some steam coming up off that towel. That's how hot that towel is. Baby, when I tell you, I feel like I got them little hands. Them hands, baby. I love heat. I love hot. And I can maneuver with it. So I just feel like you're not going to get the clean that you need if your towel is cold. So, but I came back in and you can already see how it looks. It's already giving that pure white. My baseboards are already pure white. And when I tell you today, I'm paying for this. All this on my hands and knees, baby, because my thighs are on fire. These thighs is on fire today because I was down there trying to get this clean. And better close up, you see it. Look at that cut. You seen that cut to begin with because y'all was judging me when it came to that cut. Now, I'm moving on into the bathroom because this is a New Year's deep cleaning. And I wanted to use this brush for my bathroom and for those baseboards. And I found out that they also have detachable pieces that you can purchase on Amazon or even go back to Tik Tok shop. So I will be ordering more pieces so I can have pieces set up for each room in the house. So I'm getting down and dirty. You see it. See, I sprayed this down. Those are some stains that we have, as well as in the corners. I sprayed that down. So we're gonna use our Labigo spin brush to get in those cracks and crevices. Yes. Let's see how this goes. I want you to really focus on that one. That right there has been for me trying to get clean. So let's see how the spring brush does. This is some soap scum from yesterday when I took a bath. I'm giving it to you raw because I want to see if this really works. And I'm going to put a different brush head on for this. As you can see, ain't no ring around my tub now, y'all. Y'all seeing no ring. It's just a soap scum from the soap. So here I am going right back in and changing out my little detachable pieces. And mind you, it came with 4 pieces. So I'm in a bathroom. You see I'm getting down. Now literally, I don't have to get down on my knees. I don't. But I'm bending down just because I want to make sure I hit every spot that I need to. So the spin brush is very impressive. And I use minimum cleaning supplies solutions for this. and one swipe, and it got it sparkling. I mean, really. Okay, I didn't even have to bend down when it came to this. You see this? Gone, just like that. One sweep. Do you see it? Do you see this, y'all? Spick and span clean. I literally went by this twice. Stain no more. Yes. It works. It's worth the buy. TikTok shop, yes, very much worth the buy. Remember, I told you to pay attention to that corner. Look at that. Now, what's left is just the cork and stuff like that. Can't do anything about that, but do you see? The stain is gone. Cracks are gone. We even did a number over here. Do you see it? Well, this has done what it was supposed to do, y'all. So yeah, I can approve of this. Hard-earned coins were spent. Yeah. This is your girl, Chanta Lynnese. Make sure you definitely like, comment, and subscribe for any reviews, tutorials, etc.